Zdrasti, and hello! Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of April, we're learning all about Bulgaria. Come along with us. This week we're going to be learning a circle dance that comes from Bulgaria, known as the Horo. And there are many different variations on the Horo, depending on which region of Bulgaria or what village it might come from. But we're going to learn a simple 6-step Horo. So let's start by taking hands with our neighbors or friends next to us and holding them up high. Good. We're going to start by stepping on our right foot. 1, and then we cross our left over. 2, step again on your right. 3. Then there's a little bit of a lift or a pause with your left leg on count 4. We step on our left, back to the side. 5, and lift our right on 6. Let's try that again. All right, so we start right, cross, right, lift, left, lift. Good. And then the whole dance just repeats from there. Those are our 6 steps. So let's try a couple times together, holding our hands. Ready, we count it. 1, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. 1, cross, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. 1, cross, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. Good, how'd you do? All right, so should we try going around in a circle this time? So if we can take hands with everybody, we can join a circle, or if you prefer, you could have a line leader that kind of snakes the line all the way around in a circle-like formation, okay? So remember, we're always traveling to our right or counterclockwise, anti-clockwise around the circle. Should we try it? Slowly. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. 1, cross, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. 1, cross, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. 1, cross, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. 1, cross, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. Good. How'd it go? Excellent. Should we try it one more time, a little bit faster and with some more energy? This is a very light and fun dance, danced by people of all ages at different celebrations. All right, ready to dance the Horo in a circle? Okay, let's take hands. Remember, we start to our right. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. 1, cross, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. 1, cross, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. 1, cross, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. 1, cross, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. 1, cross, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. 1, cross, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. 1, cross, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. 1, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. Great job, everyone. Well done. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more from Kodomo Kids. Bye, everyone. Do skoro.